Explosive cyclone U.S. East Coast hit by heaviest snowfall in 4 years. A state of emergency was declared in the states of New York, New Jersey, Maryland, Rhode Island and Virginia a few hours before heavy snowfall and hurricane-force winds hit them. In coastal areas, authorities are warning of possible floods. Nearly 6,000 domestic flights scheduled for the weekend were canceled. In coastal areas, authorities are warning of possible floods. Nearly 6,000 domestic flights scheduled for the weekend were canceled. Due to bad weather, about 80,000 households in Massachusetts remained without electricity all Saturday. In some places, precipitation records were broken by Saturday evening. In Atlantic City, New Jersey, 40 centimeters of rain fell, thus increasing the monthly figure to 88 centimeters. This is an absolute record. The previous maximum figure of 50 centimeters was recorded in 1987. In Boston, 60 centimeters of snow fell during the day. In New York, 61 centimeters. In some areas of Massachusetts, 75 centimeters were reported. Cape Cod was one of the hardest hit regions, with all customers in the city of Provincetown losing power on Saturday.